In this episode, you will see finally solving the water problem, losing one of our chickens, and repairing the bedroom floor. Let's go.
Baba,
What?
look what this bad girl did.
What did you do?
She escaped.
How?
Do you want some
Don't
some
give her
chippies?
food for what?
Do you want some foodie?
How did she escape?
At the door.
At the door?
She came all the way to the house.
Hmm.
How did you get out?
Maybe she get out the door whenever we went in. Bye bye water.
What did you want me to do? What?
To wash your hands. You were touching all kind of things.
We have no water.
Yeah.
How?
I turned off the pump.
What the fuck? With rain.
It was raining all 2 days. Look how much we filled up here.
It was really high up.
Yeah, I know. It was not making noises in there. The pump was just not sucking up.
No, I see the filter, so.
Oh. It dropped insanely a lot. Because it was raining yesterday.
We're gonna test out, see if that's the end of the well or if it goes deeper.
Yeah.
Because I'm pretty sure the filter is not reaching the bottom of the well. Because how deep was my ladder going in? No? That's a bit of a difference. There's another like 50 centimeters maybe.
Yeah, but why can it not
Whoa,
suck up?
that one is deep. That one's a lot deeper there. Yeah, there's like a hole here.
That's how much more water is there, but the filter is lower. Higher than that, sorry.
So what we could do, another thing we could do, if we're gonna go buy more pipe anyways.
Not today, because it's Sunday though.
Just another day.
Tomorrow.
Cut this one down, take this pipe off, take that filter off, put it on this pipe and put it all the way at the bottom.
Yeah.
If there's even a filter on that pipe, but I would say there is. And put it all the way at the bottom so it's 50 centimeters deeper.
Yeah, but we
What?
need then another filter for our water.
Put that same filter on. Just use a bit of this pipe and then we
Oh,
buy
okay,
like
okay.
15, 20 meters of pipe, 20 meters of pipe, and we should be enough. We got terrified because one of our white chickens is missing. And I thought a hawk took her, or she escaped. She usually escapes somehow with
And she
her
comes
legs.
to us.
She comes to us, she goes inside and walks around, but she doesn't leave, so she was gone. So we thought hawk took her or something, and the first time he took her, he dropped her and she walked to us or something. That's how she escaped, but clearly not. And it's just that she went in the second room in the chicken house.
And David was looking all over the place. He went
Yeah.
with a bucket and
But
everything.
I think, because I saw 5 hawks flying around, circling, and doing their hawk noises. And the storks were doing cluck, 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 and the hawks disappeared.
Yeah, like super loud.
So I think they scared them away. So now we need to take this one off.
She's back there. And we were calling her and she was not coming. Like you usually, you call her and all the birds come. But not in that case. Tip, tip, tip. Tip! Where is she? Come
Go
on.
leave her because she scared us a bit. She's the most scared one.
Tip, 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 tip.
She's coming out.
Yeah. Wait. Come out. Go outside his food, girl.
Go.
Go, 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 go out. Go, 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 go. And I don't know which white one was it now.
Already lost it.
Yeah.
It's extremely heavy now. Soaking wet. Smart. Don't think negative thoughts or YouTube will feel it and they will stop sponsoring.
Ella. It's stuck on the cement thing.
Yeah, I know. I can lift it up.
There you go. A bit more? Oh, yeah.
Julia?
What's that? Oh, yeah. no, sun is going away. I need to adjust the settings. Fast. You're doing very good. Oopsie.
Down there, I don't like it. It's freezing cold. It's claustrophobic. It's scary.
It's not.
Climb down here.
No, no, thank you. I will not.
It's a fucking wet hole. And my hair is in my... Where's my hat? When I need it.
My hair is in front of the camera.
Huh?
Nothing. I love you.
I love you too.
You just need to add pipe there, no?
Yeah, I just removed this pipe and add a new one. I'm gonna measure how much I need. The other pipe, and I need to be careful not to go too deep. It's 60 actually, so let's do 50.
Okay.
10 centimeters less because it's the filter in there. It does not fit our pipe, and the thread we bought does not fit this one that fits our pipe, because our pipe is 32 millimeters and this is a 25 millimeter pipe, and you can see the valve on the old one is a lot smaller and the filter is a lot smaller. This is for a new system, but we can put it for now into this one just to get the water, because there's another 60 centimeters of water down there and we just want to get all of it out, so we have water still. We're gonna use this pipe and add a connection on the end here. Instead of this one, we're gonna add a connection where we connect it to the bigger pipe, and we're just gonna add 50 centimeters of that big pipe, and that's it. So 50 centimeters. We add it to the filter. Oh, first of all, unscrew this. Put the filter on. So that goes there, and the big pipe goes. Oh, it's hot.
Mm-hmm.
I need to go back down there.
Do you need any tool or something?
No, I think they're all untying. Untying was the only thing I needed a tool for. Can you hold this? Imagine doing this is your job. That's all. Good morning, everyone. I forgot to say good morning to you. I did all that well stuff. The water is working, all good.
Because I have the best boyfriend in the world that can fix water.
I thought you fixed it.
No.
Now I'm gonna clean up this room so we can cement everything. And after I clean it up, and I can also see the floor, how good it is, how bad it is, what's gonna happen, what we need to do. There's so much work, so much cement we need to do, that it's ridiculous.
My goal is to finish the cement today.
We are gonna finish cementing today.
Please.
Yeah, so let me put my best song in the world.
And can you install the toilet in here, please?
Toilet?
Yeah, we have a toilet box in here. Can you please install it?
Yes, I will unbox it. It's for this room.
Okay.
So, all cleaned up. Cleaned up and new mess has started.
Yeah, as you can see.
I took out one of the floorboards because I cannot clean the wall. It's going behind the floorboard. And we have a hole here, which is next to the rocks, so it's a bit stupid. And then we have roots growing here. I took them out from here, all full of roots. I think they're growing more deeper under because there's more coming out. So, only thing we can do...
And it's all... I don't know if you broke it, but I think it was already broken.
It's not coming apart. Oh my god, that is fluffy like a...
Oh.
Yeah. Tons of bricks and rubble and just smash it all in to the ground. So I need to, yeah, lift.
Yeah, it's lifting up now.
I need to lift it up. Yeah, I'm lifting myself up. Okay, so we're falling down.
Wait, I don't see anything.
See the level?
Okay, let me look at the level where you putting it up and down.
Ready?
Yeah. Put it how it is now?
That's how it is now.
Oh, that's how it is now?
And that's how it needs to be.
Okay.
Go. Let's not overdo it either. Okay. Check. No, you cannot see it.
Hmm?
No, I cannot see the thing. It's okay. I need to put my full body pressure on it. This bad. It had its problems, but not. Tell me when it's straight, please.
Yeah, it is.
It is? Can I stuff
Yeah,
under?
yeah. This one smells like garlic, actually. Smell it.
No, it's not
Isn't it?
dirt. I don't know.
It looks like garlic. Can I ask you how you did that again? How did you do that? How? You are in big, big trouble. How did you open it? What hooks extra for you? Do you think that's nice? To look your sister inside. Don't eat this flower, is beautiful. No, this flower is beautiful. No, no, no. Don't even think about eating this flower. Oh! Go away from the flower. No eating flowers. No. No eating flowers. Don't eat the flowers.
Put on this. Wait. You good? Let's not kick the pipe. That's the most important. If we kick the pipe, we can break it. Okay.
As you saw, the goats escaped. Of course, we don't know how they escaped again. And to be honest, I took Spocky out. Because all of them were out, and I was sad that she's not outside. So I took her out, and I started screaming, but they were just listening to music and had the vacuum cleaner on. So I didn't want to leave them outside alone. And I don't know why I didn't think of putting them back in. But sure. They started eating the flower, and whenever they're outside, they get super excited and hyper. And they always jump up here, since they learn how to jump on that. So I knew that it was open, and he was moving the car, and I was like, David, 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 help me, please help me, because I have three heavy goats with 2 hands. And you can guess what happened.
What?
Marshmallow jumped on the edge of that, and I pulled her like this down. I punched her down, I pulled her from her throat. She started coughing, of course. And then I had my other hand. Lima wanted to jump up, and of course Sporky needs to join. But everyone is safe. And we should not leave this death trap open again. I don't know why we left it open in the first place, because in case something goes wrong again.
No, we finished water.
But okay, let's go back to work. I hate moments like that. I'm shaking. That's why they say you need to get a pet before you get a kid. Clearly. We have 3 goats, it's okay. We can get triplets now.
So we're back to the room after the goat accident. Yeah, this wall has a big problem. This is all moving. This needs to all come out.
But
Someone did an amazing job. Look at this. They did it this way to save some bricks, which just makes it not strong at all.
Are we gonna take it out? Yeah, I guess.
Moving, right? Do you think I'm gonna leave it? I'm not doing anything unprofessional here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you still don't want to do it? I think I need to bring that.
We have vacuum cleaned all around, so we can put the baton in. Actually, we bought the baton by accident, but it's very good that we bought it, and we have now 3 bags, I think. One we have already tried to use it to see what it is, really. So good that we bought baton, and I have made amazing drawing. I'm not an architect or anything, but those are supposed to be the beams because the floor needs to dry for at least 24 hours.
48.
48. And that means we cannot walk on it. Because we're gonna cement all around, not just there, but all around. Which means that if we walk on it, we might crack it. What can we do for this time? Because we don't have time. We need to do the wood for the ceiling. And that's why we made this one. So we're gonna write here the distance.
Yeah.
Kind of. I didn't put the chimney. So we're gonna put it and prepare it, clean it, make it ready to go up whenever this floor is done. Kind of. We want to do first cement, and then we're gonna put it on. So let's get started. Enough talk. Oh no, David needs to go up there, and I need to write.
For 1 hour straight, I was cleaning up on top of the beams because I realized I cannot measure
With
if
dirt.
it's all dirty because it's just gonna all fall down. So I cleaned all of the tops.
Yeah, you cannot see it.
And yeah, and I cleaned up again downstairs because everything got destroyed dirty. So now let's take our paper that Desper made and let's measure.
It's here, my paper.
Oh, okay. So I don't need it.
Do it good this time.
I'd like to have a bigger shovel.
Yeah.
This thing is as heavy as a full bucket of water. Holy shit. Maybe heavier.
We have finished, and we're putting our signature in it because we did it. And we're gonna put also Evie's. Which side? In the middle? In the middle? Go, girl, wait. It's okay, we did it.
Did you do it?
Yes, there she is. Yeah.
Go wash your feet now.
So we came back from the walk, and they haven't been for a walk for 2 days because it was raining, as you saw. And that's their best time, the snuggle time, right? Yes, and I need to be super careful with her horns. But since when she became a baby again? She didn't even act when she was a baby like that. You know that? Yes. Look at this. Twinkle, 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 twinkles. Right? Look at this. What did you do? Get off me. Get off me.
Lima's concerned.
Can anyone help me? Can anyone? I'm okay, my girl. I'm okay. Can anyone help me up? Thank you, Marshmallow. Okay. I fell straight in the itchy plants. We need to cut all of that itchy plants. That hurts. Oh, no, you being bad girl. But I wanted to end the video. But I love this time. This is my favorite time of the day. No. So, hope you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow in our next video. Right? Oh, shit. Okay, see you. I need to get off here. Let's go, girls. Where do I bring you? Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. This is not your time now. You had your time. Oh, it's bubbles.